The new Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic comes with many advanced features, and calling is one of them. Yes, it is really important features that can replace your smartphone. By using calling feature, you can manage all your calls from your wrist. Like if you receive a new call, then you can attend it right from your smartwatch. And also you can make a new call. Now the question is, many users ask me that can they use Wi-Fi only model for calling function? Because with LTE variant, it is easy to make a call and receive call. But what about Wi-Fi only model? This is the question. And here in this video, I will answer all of your questions. With Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic, can you make a call? Can you receive a call? Can you save your contacts? And also switch between SIMs? All your questions will be answered in this video. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. Now, answer to your first question is, yes, you can make a call right from your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic Wi-Fi only models. You can make or receive call from your Galaxy Watch. You can manage it, but for that, you have to pair your smartwatch with your smartphone. If you are using Wi-Fi only model, then you should connect your Galaxy Watch 8 with your paired smartphone. And after that, you can make a call. Because the SIM you are using on your smartphone will be synchronized to your smartwatch. And after that, you can make a call. So that's why you can manage all your calls and receive messages. But you can't replace your smartphone. You can't leave your smartphone at home and go outside. You should always connect your smartwatch with your smartphone. Now, the second question is, can I save all my contacts? Yes, all your contacts will be saved on your smartwatch. Actually, you don't need to do anything. If your smartwatch is connected to your smartphone, then all your contacts will be automatically synchronized to your smartwatch. But if you want to create a new contact, then you can also do it from your smartwatch. Just go to Contact app and create a new contact. Add a number and save it. Or you can also do it from your smartphone. And that number will be synchronized to your smartwatch. Now the third one is, can I switch between SIMs? Yes, you can also do that. If you are using dual SIM smartphone, then you can also use both SIMs on your smartwatch. If your by default SIM is SIM1, and if you want to call from second SIM, then you can call from that SIM. You have to just switch between SIMs. And for that, while calling, you have to tap on SIMs option. Just tap and hold on SIMs like a SIM1, and after that, it will give you both options like SIM1 and SIM2. Now select SIM2 and call from that. And in vice versa, you can also do it like SIM2 to SIM1. If your by default SIM is SIM2, then you can also switch to SIM1. Now the fourth one is, how to answer a call. Should I buy a Bluetooth headset or earbuds, or can I answer a call with mic and speaker? And the answer is, you can choose any option. With the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic, both options are available. You can use by default mic and speaker to answer your call, and the sound quality is excellent. You don't need any third-party Bluetooth headset or Galaxy Buds. But if you are outdoor and want to use Bluetooth headset or earbuds, then also you can choose that option. You can connect any third-party earbuds or Galaxy Buds and connect them with your Galaxy Watch, and after that you can answer that call. But for that, you have to purchase a new Bluetooth headset or Galaxy Buds. So if you don't want to purchase it, then you can rely on default mic and speaker and answer your calls. I hope you got all your answers in this video. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.